Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I am Nate. This is Bissell Maple Farms YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. We're a maple syrup family. We make syrup, we bottle syrup, we sell equipment to make maple syrup, everything maple. And I hope that there's some maple in your Thanksgiving dinner today. So my family is coming over, so my wife's family's coming over. It's going to be a circus, but it's going to be our circus. And I hope you have fun at your circus today. I decided to make this video a little different. If you like the show, how it's made, if you like manufacturing, if you like America, you're going to like this episode. So I was raised by a couple hippies. Deb and Dave, a couple hippies raised me. I'm Gen Xer, but I was raised on some good music. I was raised on some good 70s music. I was raised on Eagles, Doobie Brothers, Steve Miller Band, Fleetwood Mac. I was just a little pup listening to this stuff. And I'll tell you what, when I hear these songs, I'm like, you know, your foot starts tapping. I hope you enjoy this. It's a little different for a Thanksgiving episode. Yeah, I just wanted to put something out here this morning. I've really enjoyed, my dad and mom helped me today, helped put some lights up at the house that, you know, should have been up a long time ago, so they're helping me be a little less worse of a husband. So I appreciate them helping me. I'm just grateful. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for my dad and the head start that he gave me in the maple industry by having this passion that, you know, he bought his first evaporator in the 70s, and just kept the family's legacy going. And I just realized, like, without Dad, Bissell Maple Farm doesn't happen. Without his love and passion and that hobby, and raising us with pure maple syrup, it just doesn't happen. And my mom, listen, we have a business that cares for people. And my mom really cares for people. And I think I'm a pretty good blend of both. So I want to be a part of a company that cares about people, cares about customers, cares about suppliers, cares about our team. And this team's awesome. And this is a celebration. I am so thankful for the team we have. Every time we go through something tough, I tell you what, we get better. So we are really thankful for the tough times, because that's where you make your name. And we are thankful for the good times, because both of them are important. So anyways, hey, thanks for stopping by. If it's your first time, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please hit that like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon so it lets you know I don't make a dime from this. I'm hoping that you get a lot out of it, though. So happy Thanksgiving. you checking for?
We are, sometimes the snap ring will have a crack in it or a split. So you're just making sure that the cap is properly seated and that the snap ring is still fully in place.
Gotcha.
That just reassures the customer that it hasn't been tampered with. So here's one that's split.
Gotcha. Show me it. Can you lift it? I see.
Yep.
Does it come from the manufacturer that way?
Yeah, 2 in a row. Yes, it's a defect with the cap through the process.
Isn't our job hard enough?
Yeah,
And then we gotta
frustrating.
sort through caps.
Well, it's just ensuring that we're putting out a good product. So you can see in the bin behind you, we've had quite a few rejects in that bucket.
Right here?
Yep.
Rejects. Wow. We got cap inspection.
It does when you have a bad lot of caps.
Yeah.
It's necessary when you get a bad lot. We're almost through.
How could something that costs you 3 cents be such a pain in the butt? How much is a cap, Jess?
6 cents.
6 cents for a cap. 6 cents.
6 cents payment.
6 cents, and we gotta pay somebody to sort caps.
Joe and Bobby Sue, 2 young lovers with nothing better to do than sit around the house, get high and watch a tune. And here's what happened when they decided to cut loose. They headed down to old El Paso. I swear they ran into a great big hassle. Billy Joe shot a man while robbing his castle. Bobby Sue took the money and run. Go on, take 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 the money and run. Billy Mack is a detective down in Texas. You know he knows just exactly what the facts is. He ain't gonna let those two escape justice. He makes his living off of the people's taxes. Bobby Sue, whoa, whoa, she slipped away. Billy Joe caught up to her the very next day. They got the money, hey, you know they got away. They're headed down south and they're still running today, saying,
Did you?
No.
Oh.
It's
How
funny.
you-
It's funny though.
What's funny is I believed you.